Edo ya wa bedo na Etu edo ya edo ni ro wa ke edo ni re isi wa ya bedo na wa bo we wa baba wa buta dade wo ni dade wo ye ipon wa bo kan wa wa re na akun so lo bo na edere ibude oredo ibude oredo. Today is pastoral counseling. I welcome all of us who are here this morning, this afternoon. Okay. Um, Before we start, I want to show a few things, just something, and I will show it to you again when we finish. Yes, last week we called your attention to the fact that we were going to do an enablement ceremony in Benin City, Nigeria. The Bishop Stephen Agahowa Ministry. We're going to do the enablement ceremony. That is the ceremony of enablement for all the people we have trained. We are trained in specific vocations. You remember that? Okay. So it happened. We enabled those people we have trained in specific vocations in Benin City, Nigeria, on Saturday, December 18th. It happened. Here is a picture of the people who benefited from that enablement ceremony. You see them? Okay. They were 15 in number. You see them wearing white t-shirt. Okay, that t-shirt is the t-shirt for the Bishop Stephen Agahowa Ministry. You can see the logo on that shirt, that blue thing on that shirt. You see it? All right. So I've been made to show that to you. There is another one that I couldn't. There are many of them. I have over 50 copies. Over 50 copies of the photographs. But I've yet to bring the video. So you see that one? Sorry. You see that one? Yes. That is a video. It doesn't stay long. It's less than a minute. You see it? All right. So if you look closely, you will see them. In that place, you will see something that looks like a grinding machine. Okay? And you also see bags of rice, bags of gari. You see it? All right. You see it? Okay. Those are the people that we endowed. That is just a simple analysis of what we are talking about. Very simple analysis of what we're talking about. You see it? That is what took place last Saturday in Benin City, Nigeria. So we thank God for what He's doing in our lives and in our ministry. You can take a picture of this with your cell phone. Yes, thank you. You are seeing it. Okay, that's good. All right. Take a picture of it and share it with other people. All right. So that is what happened on Saturday. The next enablement ceremony will be in June of 2022. June 2022. It will be happening every 6 months. Every 6 months. So if you have people who are unemployed and people who are unemployable, people who are unemployed and people who are unemployable, refer them to us so that we can help to train them in whatever field they want to be trained in, whatever vocation they want to learn anything. Refer them to us. We also have training, free training going on in vulcanizing, in welding, in diesel engine mechanics, all of that training. We train them, we pay for the training. And after that, we endow them, we enable them by buying all the things that they need. We give them free so that they go and practice, they go and do their trade, go and do their business. I think you understand me. All right. So send your people. The only thing that we will ask them to do is to come to church. That's all. To come to church to worship God. God does all things for people. All right. Èmi ni màá wúzọ àná gbèrà ẹni o. Iṣẹ́ bàbá o. Ìwọ̀n ni màá yé mi wé ẹ̀yìn àkín. Èmi ní àwẹ̀ màá dẹ̀lẹ̀ èmi ní àwẹ̀ ní àhẹ́ àdúẹ́kì ọ̀wẹ̀ ní ẹgbìn yà. Ní ànàkín ní àkẹ́sù gé nù. Ẹdúsọ àná kéré nù gbèrà náà. Dúwẹ̀ mẹ́rin máa fi ọdẹ ìkákàbọ̀ wà. Máa fi ọgẹ Reverend Dr. Amadasun. Abedinya iwemi nya ewemi na eviemi ni ya mama we ni asa nya evidambio ni na asa o opa ino so pin ago saloboa ori wa go saloboa no go saloboa so ba nya mi ya fe so let's say a prayer to start oja derun na aso o no nya wa saloboa ma we sikoko manedo ma do revi even mado na la wo rama e ko ramarion ramao ni maya on wonya de we so na ye adagbe ma so de ri ya fe ma wo na wo be ni won emi anu ge ya agba ni ma la wo apase yo ni ma la wo ki o de yo ni ma la wo ri afan gbe yo ni ma e ge mi ke mi de gbode e mi ke mi wa de gbode no wa sira ya we mi no mara obi ahin de ro salobaro wo do Ebi kemi na debude, siketi na debude, eba kemo na debude, wasira ya we no ma. Obi ahin dere saloba no wodwa. Eni Jesu Christi, eni Jesu Christi, eni Jesu Christi. Isa uyo we ogun owe de. Eni Jesu Christi no nyawa. Isa I'm very glad to see many of us coming in quickly this morning. Usayame I say we obokin some third years. Sorry, I didn't pronounce it well. Koyo Abokia, welcome. Nampa Sobosa Abokia. Okay. Glory Yamu, you're welcome. Abokia. Very good. It's some two via. Today is for pastoral counseling. Counseling we give because we are servants of God. That's why we call it pastoral counseling. Now, when you're not here, I don't have a busa or what you're here. Or 10 years, get go, don't tell me. Ibude, oge do, kebe, Ibude, oge, o gyo honsa. Ibude, oge do, oge Ibude na fi o, Ibude, oge do, kebe, Ibude, oge, o gyo honsa. Ogo gyo honsa, don't have o honsa, marking. God's word for today. We'll start by reading God's word. God's word for today. God's word for today. Isaiah 54 verse 13. Isaiah 54 verse 13. And the Bible says there, look at it. All your children, they shall be taught by the Lord, and great will be their peace. All your children shall be taught by the Lord, and great will be their peace. That's a prayer. All our children will be taught by the Lord, and great will be their peace. Can you say amen? Amen. Amen. You have been able to look at the there. You have been at the there. Isaiah when hara bi ye ha uvin we ha azaya when hara bi ye uvin we ha if you wa ehiaga roe yaga ene oge no nyama ofun egbe ogiya gabe akonkon ofun egbe ogiya gabe akonkon if you wa ga ene oge no nyama ofun egbe ogiya gabe akonkon irun no kwa no ibazaya ana mi ibi wa ibi ma nga be eme oge no nyama ofun egbe ogiya no ro akonkon oya we ise o ise ofun egbe ogiya ibi wa ya ga eme no nyama ofun egbe oge iya ga be ga konkon yo so do bo you know, we are dealing with a particular very important topic. We started last week, and that topic is the business of raising children. Today is part 2. The business of raising children. Part 2. Very important topic. The business of raising children. Your own children, my own children, our children, children in our village, children in our city, our children, children in the world. The business of raising them. We're not talking about business where you make money or no. We're talking about the work of raising children, the duty of raising children. Raising children is very important. They are the extensions of humankind. All people come to this world, first of all, being children first. That's the first stage before they become adults. So raising children is not something we can play with. Because in children, we have the future of humankind. Any society that neglects its children has neglected its future. Woo! Therefore, the future must be taken care of by taking care of the children. We mean all children. Some people do other things very well, but they neglect their children, the care of their children. And there are many ways to care for children. We are here analyzing the best way we can care for children. It's something that everybody can reach. It's a serious business of raising children. You're all welcome to the show. God bless you. Yes. If you know my guancan, who's a number of my swan guancan, boy, in winner, okay, ukokomo. In winner, okay, ukokomo. Who's a number of my swan guancan. In winner, ukokomo. Better yako komo he. In winner kokomo. Ever man where no water. Oh, matter what. Manadi eru na nekwe na ruwe. Banguri eru nekwe na ruwe o o wan pa fi ya sosima do. They no no one you know kwa yen ga kan. Okay, fi ya sosima do uzola na. Ima be ya fi ogo na mana eru o ga hie. Efu nekwe na. Ruwe nekwe oge bishop na. My unit my way the buy with here. No, that one you want to or the hour. By the way, I need to tell you, I'm wearing this black cap bread. It's a bishop's bread, but I'm wearing it today because we are bereaved. We lost an old grandmother in our church in Benin City, Nigeria. So I just do this to honor her. And to tell you that we are sorrowing, we are grieving. She was a great woman of God. We thank God for her life. We will miss her. That is just by the way. Okay. In winning Kokomo, in Winanoa, wano Ukokomo, Inanoquano. Ukokomo, Inanoquano, Unanami Hukaka. Oh, in Ilawe, Orukokomo. When I wear, when I lie, when I mamma, no, I'm I will not tell her. Oh, mamma, wano, mamma, the man so Yakukomo say. The so Kokomo say, the so Kokomo say. Eso kukomo se ya mi eso wa kukomo ya wa ya wa na wo ti kukomo ya wa sakawa e mana gwa kan e mana ma gba ore ukokomo gba ore mo le gi e o ma gba ore oda o wo de obe e mo le gi e oye as the wo kan have to kin no wan e bo no ma gba ore bi e ka no gba ore bi e ka no wo bi e ka o Oni when you ever dao. Ever dao. Ever get on do. Ever on do obi bi eka oye. Ya na ye gede. Ya ga be ki no wan. Ki mana gwa kan. Cool. So we have to answer some questions. There are certain things that we need to talk about so that all of us will be on the same page. So that all of us will understand what we are talking about. All right? Uh-huh. So one of those questions is, who is a child? Who is a child? We say business of raising children, the business of raising a child. So who is a child? Who is a child? The United Nations Organization describes a child as a human being below the age of 18 years, unless under the law applicable to the child, majority is attained earlier than this. Unless the law that's applicable to the child, ordinarily a child is a human being that is under 18, according to the United Nations law. I think they promulgated it about 1989 or thereabout, when they went to look at what we call child rights, the rights of children. All people who are under 18, they are still children. They are minors. They call them minors. People who are above 18, they are majors. So they are minors because they are still under the leadership of their parents. They are still protected by their parents. They are still provided for by their parents. They are still guarded by their parents. They are still led by their parents. They are still under the roof of their parents or guardian. Their needs are still supplied by their parents or guardians. People who are not under themselves, young people who are not under themselves, but they are under their parents or guardians, they are children. They are children. Some people may become children before they become 18. Some people may become children before they come to the age of 18. But those who are 18 by law, they are, or below 18, they are still children. So the law prescribes that those children, people who are under 18, they should be taken care of. Their parents should take care of them. Their guardians should take care of them. How? That is what we are dealing with this week, and we have been dealing with since last week. How do you take care of children? How do you raise children? Children raising is important business. It's important because children are the future. You get it? All right. I will not tell me Ibieka, I tell me Okukomo. Okay, man, no tasu. Ni mabe in Magwaka. Tasu man, oh, where? Well, Guy, Oboka, Nakuko. Ukukomo, Ibieka, Akukomuka. Aye, Oboka, Nakuko, Nakana, Nabu Nakuko. oka na wena koko ebe that o to United Nations organization. United Nations organization in an kawe owoka gayo owoka omo ipe a viral be ugie radie ototo so pa eso one for no auto segena omo komo no le pe viral ugie radie ototo oni owoka so pa eso be kin me one for no auto se ipe viral ugie na kana omo komo no ipe viral ugie radie ototo owoka no oye tutakira oye tutakiye owoka no na di eba owoka no na zige zukuna owoka no na dukmon yo ekun owoka no na gba oge be di agbe owoka no na di olele na mi ge dunwa eboke mo no ye mu no mu gbenya eriyan ayiyan aotiyan no gyodagbon ba yan no ye di ayan na di keke o ni owoka na kana oni ọmọ na we na gba oge ọmọ na we na gba oge ọmọ no ma no esu pe vara ugi ke ba adi ototo oni die ma ibi bele ka ya fe wa no wi we mi no ka o ibi bele ka no de wi we mi na ti esu kri gai ibi bele ka ya fe no de wi we mi ni bo ti primary school ni ibi school o wi we mi no ka o ni ya se gbe ibi eka no we ye no wi we mi no pogiva ya ma eso mi pe vara ugi aye gba orin yan aye zige sukuni yan aye dupon ni yan aye ri eba ni yan aye ri yan yo wa mami eni ya imona na goda koko u je o ebi na tana u je o kunda ma eba so ro ibi yan wa ye sukuna awa ri yan loto aye gba orin yan ebi no ka kene ra uno wa ya ri u ebi no ka kene je uno wa ya ri u àwọn na boy na wa ọmọ enwu na ya o mugbo na ya odo eki na ya ori egbe na ya bo we ya ọmọ ba bo ya ọmọ enwu bo ya ọmọ wo bo ya ọmọ ezo wo ma no se wa gbon we yo to ọmọ ye no na koko ye no wa ho a edo ima wata na ni ma enegbe ma yore be na ya gba ori bi ma he ni ma si ya yo ni ma si ya da ni ma hi ya fabo wa ni ya se ta kon yo ni ya sakan yo ni ya se na yi me ọmọ ko na bi ọmọ gba owo o mu piano mo kunu ba owo ebi no keke na uno mo we na ye ba na dupon yo ekun zigo de no ya we be zigo de no ya we wina di yo wa na mo ebe de agbe na mo ebe de abu ga wo egba omurin ewe iwa ya le lotion ni ebi ya le lotion eri o ma wa ho we edoso wa si bi omi ya wa fi o wa so abi ya fi o we ya ri ihu ya ra ihu ya doyi we no we ya ra we no we ya doyi a eri o ndo ni ma ga fe ko wa ki ma ga fe ko ma ohun ma gibi bae ma ya so ya fi use ma ya so ya fi eyin dan e na uno mo o ma esi pe variable gie o we ye no o so to wo ye o wa wo ye o wa wo keke no ye o ye dukun yo ekun o ye sige sukuna o ye sige nwuna o wi ma ebe o wo inwina edera mu no olawa na ya Olawa na oyoro ya Oba re utama we oyime na no zo bobo. Are re koere asonwa oriri. Edo wa ki ma hi ma fi o. Ebi ya we go o se no ya nwuna o ga nwuna. Aka wo nwuna ne. Aka wo ebe ne. Ai ri ba no mo. Ai gba oge ẹ̀yin ẹ wá wọn dé náà wá sọ àìfì ó ọmọnà wá wọn dé wá sọ àìfì ó wà gbére ẹ̀yìn bọ́ o wà gbére ẹ̀yìn bọ́ o wà gbére ẹ̀yìn bọ́ o abira màkànà abi yé màkànà wà má gúgún wọn náà ẹ sọ àbúrò ẹ̀fì ó ebi náà á yàn gbọ́n náà àbíọ̀ ẹ̀dọ̀ mọ́ náà okay ario okay gbe obe rai okay gbe obi ye be no ye wo te ebu manedo ege be ye wo te ebu ebo agege so amofio omo e manakana children these children they are important. Look at it. Generally, a child is young person, especially between infancy and puberty. A child is a young person, especially between infancy and puberty. If somebody is born and is growing, he hasn't really the age of puberty. Not the age of puberty. When a young lady is grown enough to marry, she has big breasts, she has good body to be a mother of a child. So that is by the age of 18, about the age of 19. Unless somebody gets there, he's still a child, he's still under you. Take care of her. If it's a boy, he has to have the age of puberty to be able to look like a man. He'll be a man strong enough to stand for himself. Take care of him. For the most part, these are the years they're supposed to be in school. For the most part, these are the years, age 18 and down, supposed to be learning work, learning a trade. Let them not waste those years. Take care of your children. Let them not waste the years. Put their head in something that they can learn for the future. The time will come when it is too late. You hear me? Don't allow your children to waste their youthful years. These are the years they could put down their mind and listen to what the teacher is teaching, or listen to what the master, the job is learning. There is time for everything. Leia, Oboka, Oromo, Nomae, Kien, Ubi, Agikpa, Oboka, Oromo, Nomae, Kien, Ubi, Agikpa. Abiomo, one day. Omae, Kien, Ubi, do piano, Omae, Kien, Gikpa, Oboka, you know. Oboka you know na Mairi. Oboka you know na Yobona. Oboka you know na Su. Oboka you know na Gyodema. Oboka you know na Yebwe Ude. E na yafe obena oye obi yoye obete oye ware mufwa. Jobon wa oye suku wa owa tan wa we oni marie mare agipari no ogbenso okubi na. Omega no wo ya kubi. Wherever that should be here. Oh, one ya do all so la dan godo. All those so am me he. Obuko na do so am me he. O ma e serve yo o kan yi no. Ah, what are you so am me he then? O kan yi no so pon so me pe viral okay. Agio Dagmama, Amay, Tatem of Mamma, Adi Jodune, Anerune, Taswe, Aswe, Tagaga, Tadi Banaya. Again, they talk about my by here, Iran here, own Nacola, I am here, Ebe, Nacola. Mamma said, Zabi Beka, Zaboka. If I hear you, I have your boy on I can hear, Ramano, Yomano, or the Bama, or the you boy by your Makibi, or Bama, he, or Swama Wuduku, or Swama Wuduku, or Swama Wuduku, on your power, he. I can add the bomb, a better honey. I can say, Kibaki, and Kian Wahoa. A dear bag monaji. Takba or Mohe. No making out setting the bomb where a ball agbona. I'm German and Bam for Africa. Hey, yo. That's it, and I should not be a monopum. Young, we are setting Bauga no boom. And when we live out, Immonang Bauga, your logo. Your logo. Oh, Miss, I'm setting Bauga. The matter, river. The don't leave back more. Ayubo, Ayogo, Ayeki. Even I about I'm also or robo. You know. The deck with the bit of my woo. The deck with the bummer the butter. Yeah. As it goes to Kupa, Iba Vabu, the deck with the bummer as well. Yeah. So about you, but one of your mono. I will bow. I get Bosa Okan. So I know your mono. I get Bokan. I get Yaku Mosa. Oh, who don't make back anything? Yeah, about Ukokomo. If Becky no my said on Yoko, a Becca Yaki. No my can get back. No my said on Woko, no my can get back. Becky would my said on beer, they won't my ladia, they my swam ye, Becca Yaki, Agbaugin at Austria. Do never have do what him at Tana. This life, we don't just go in it and wander around without direction. There are stages in this life. It goes stage by stage by stage. Look at the stages. The stages of life. Infancy. The infant, 0 to 1 year, is an infant. 0, 1 week when the child is born, day 1, day 2, day 3, then 30 days, then 1 month. From there to 1 year, the child is still a child, is still an infant. Infant doesn't know where it's going, doesn't know where it's coming from. It's an infant. 0 to 1 year is infancy. It's an infant. He needs help. That child needs to be fed. That child needs to be bathed. That child needs to be provided for. When the child needs something, the child is beginning to cry. You know something is not going right. You need to take the child and show love to the child and find out why the child is crying. Any child below 1 year must not be neglected. Must not be neglected. It needs to be provided for. It could be food, it could be breastfeeding, it could be water, it could be comfort. Maybe it's too hot, maybe it's too cold. Any child under 1 year can show symptoms of discomfort. It should be listened to. Any adult who is there, parent or guardian, should find out why that child is uncomfortable. You cannot just let the child continue to cry. No. That is neglect. That is neglect. When the child is crying, there is some discomfort that the child needs something and needs to be attended to. You give the child attention. That is 1 year and below. It's an infant. It's an infant. The toddler, look at it, the toddler, 2 years to 4 years is a toddler. A child who has learned to walk, is running around, is walking around. He's a toddler. From 2 years to 4 years. So he's jumping around. He's kicking everything like a ball. He's a toddler. He does not really know much. He needs to be taken care of. He needs to be told and trained in the things of this world. But to come later on to talk about the details of how they are being trained. They should be trained and taken care of. All right? Then the other child, 6 to 12 years. 6 to 12 years, he's just a child. When he goes to school, he's a child. He's a child. You cannot entrust something to a child who is below 12 years. He doesn't even know. Sometimes we think that they are big. They ought to know. No, they're still learning. Below the age of 12, he's still a child. A teenager from age 13 to 19 is a teenager. Age 13 to 19 years, a teenager. He's a teen. He's a young person. He's a teenager. That age is very, very, very tempting. 13 to 19, very, very tempting. They try their hands on anything. They can even put their hand on fire to see what will happen. They have to be guided, seriously guided. When they are asking for something, we have to give to them, or we educate them on what they are asking for, whether it is good or bad. That is the time they should learn in school. Their brain will open and learn mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology. They try their hands on many things. A very tempting age. Then they have their friends they are looking at. They are copying other people. All right. That's a teenager. Then adults, 20 to 39. It's adult age. 20 to 39. Young adults. That's the time they prepare themselves for life. They start life. They start life. Some people get married. Some people graduate from college. Some people graduate from university. Or some people learn a job. They start employment. They're employed. They're given money to manage. They see men that they like. They see women that they like. They associate with other people. Yes. They are commended for doing good things. They achieve something. People clap for them. They show themselves to be young people who can do something. They can prove that they are reliable. Young adults. Look at it. 20 to 39. Middle age is 40 to 59. 40 to 59 years. Middle age. That's the age men and women are achievers. Men and women, they are achievers. They already have children. They're already married. They have tried their hands and work. They have become achievers. They have graduated. They have bought a car or a bicycle for themselves. Some of them have started to build a house, or they have already built a house. Some have done business and they have made success. Middle age. That's the age where you have the greatest strength, the greatest energy, the greatest wisdom, the greatest instrument for working in life. Middle age. That time your profession is already defined. Middle age. Your education is already achieved. Middle age. That's the time you put your the greatest energy into life. Woo! Yes. You show who you are. Show who you can be. Middle age. See, middle age, 40 to 59. Then seniors, senior adults from 60 plus upwards. Senior adults from 60 plus upwards. You cannot remain your middle age forever. You get older every day. Then you come to be age 60. From that age 60 on, you are a senior. You begin to grow, see, gray hair. See my own? You are a senior. They respect you for being a senior. You have achieved in life. You have spent years in working. You have proved who you can be. You are now a senior. You now take care of the younger ones. You advise the younger ones. You counsel people. You show the way to people. You provide. You provide for younger people. Society begins to depend on you. God, He put you there for a purpose. You prove it. Look at it. All these things I'm talking about, they are from this place. It's an organization. Integrisok.com. This information, this analysis, they come from Integrisok.com. Integrated Subsidies of Oklahoma. They have it like this. That's where we got this information from. We thank God for them. God bless them. Amen. Otu na la bagbon. Otu na la ogagbon. Otu na. That's otu na na se. Otu na na se. Manedo aweta se. Ọmọ se. Ọmọ otu na na se gay. Otu. Ogagbon na na se. Ọmọbọ. Kadina bi ọmọ ya se opopa. Oni ọmọbọ. Omobo. Kadina bi ọmọ ya se omu popa obobo. Oye tu atu egeya. Eba mi na we. O ha me agbe atu. O fora atu. O ni afi atu. Eyi asara atu. Ọhọn ebo gbogbo. Yema mi na sunu atu. Iye asa ayupo atu. Madu dage. Oni ọmọbọ ọbụnamu ụwa maịkị wenu dere ya. Ebi kebi na isu nugo money wege ọmọbọ ni mukpọkpa ọmọrui ọmọbọ aida hoye ọgatu aida hoye. Ọmọmọ gatu ọmọbọ gatu ọbaka ọna irewa ira no iye no ọya ge no gutu. I say or there are two some boss and over. Oh, will you or will you? Am I am again your two are with you? Kaupo, what day totowa. Would I matter your mouth? How many are with two or the two or the some boss and wet, some boss and there and river, okay, answer to what the fuel. You sort of word. Would I mind? Ọmọ nekere omupọpa agba oge asien o afia owa ayọmọ gbezaga gbezaga wa mo bo upopa radio to wo wa mu dia ke kason ke va 20 efia owa wa pagbe wo mo kwa friend mo yizabo Mabobo. Or atu total nri ba na. Omo ni me make don rie. O ma ke don ye ma we. Omo we. Ko mu pe ba ya so mu pe na oni omo we. We ma na do omo we. Omo we da kin ya kin na. na sine na hiane ya itule kete iri ya fe de no ni mi wa yo wegbe ipama ko yo wegbe upu na ni ba yo wegbe ege yo wegbe iko ba yo wegbe iri ya wa ya gbe bo ebo we agba ori mu we fun da bo ye ma en mi ropa binu mi ani ye ma en mi ropa ebo we ye we mi ya gbe bo ebo we ti wa mo ba de na mu yo to o ti wa yo we wa gbe ma di kwa binu wa be se ni agba be gbe wa agba be gbe egbe ndago o yo we gbe ba kwa binu wa be se ni ebi n paro ni mi ogwe na ebi ni owa gbewun ri moto ima ja ye ti mi o ni mu la ma wa re ni mu ma wa re o pa ona wa gbo omo bo pa ona wa omo we no ona wa gbe ona yo ka ni ka mi gbe video o ona yo ka ni ka mi gbe video ka ebi bi o be ni wọ́n sọ náà wà á gbọ́ ọmọ òwẹ̀ mẹ́rin náà ọmọ òwẹ̀ ni wò ó wọ́n náà wà á gbẹ́gbẹ́gbẹ́ ọmọ ni náà wà á tú ó ọ̀sọ́ ni ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ ìwédìí akẹ́gẹ́ ìsúnú nígbà yẹn mọ òwẹ̀ bínú mi àní yẹn máa ń mi rọ̀pà yẹn máa ń bẹ̀ nàgbọ̀n yìí ẹ lẹ́yìn náà wèé náà má gbá ayé màá yẹ. Agi maeta mawe no na magba wage wa ho pa ni edana wa ta ni o ka oni o de gbe mi we dia emi ni o de bo o so no wa a de gbe mai ho mai mi o ni o ti e wage wa so wa ka mi ona ona o ko yin no wa gbe omo ni no wa gbe yẹn kò wá yìí jáwé wá gbẹ máa wẹ ẹgbẹ ìwédìí ẹ máa nígbà ọmọ nìyẹn ọmọ ẹmí rọpà ẹ mọ mọ àmì mọ náà wéèmí nà ẹrìn dà àmì ẹ gbàgbọ́n náà màá yá fẹ màkà ìwéèmí náà má gbá gbẹgẹ náà gbéra ó kẹ́kẹ́ màá rí ẹgẹ náà yà máa mọ èrè o tí ó wé di mọ màá wá rè bọ́dù wa mí ọbẹ̀ ni wá yà gẹ̀ ẹ́ náà wá yẹn. God, I'm a Omogwe, no. Maybe about 2 years, 3 years old child. Whatever the child did wrong, I don't know. But the woman was just beating the child. It's a child, it's more child. A child is a child. A child doesn't know much. So let it not happen. Children don't know anything. They are yet to learn. So when children do wrong things, we have to give them a chance to learn. So the idea of just killing and beating the child until the child is almost dying, oh no, it's not acceptable. It's not acceptable. You will see that video and you will pity the child. I've seen another one before, some years back, when somebody just beating the child and beating the child, you just pick the child up and knock the child down on the couch. Such things they're not human. No, it should not happen. And these are toddlers, children between 2 and 4 years of age. They don't know anything. So, then you have a baby, ihore obi piso ya so mpo vai ihore ya iho diagbon ya yewe ni esuku ya yo ya ma mi ropa eso awa mi ri on we yo o yan ma go again o again na kedo yan ga ya ti we yin ege ma na gbe ege na kana ima ya kun kokwo ma ya kakobe ugbo sa akobe ni we mu ma bo Monsieur Coconia with Moabo. Eti mama te dega o bati but it's a mama I walk a Moabo or a ballo or more about up to second. Then I want say anything. Again, that's one TB. Again, that's a well, a magma. Gay. You hungry? No, so I bet only I aduza. I'm going to wear as I'm okay. Aduza. I mean, the done. You can't get them on where I. You get David also. Aduza. But so motor, I'm by way. Aduza, I'm with the motor. Oh, I'm wearing Aduza. Oh, I don't want you make it out. Well, Aduza. I will the head of the hole. Aduza. Come on, Benode. Benus Abawaya, you will not buy anything. I will be Ari again, Miami. Ari 2 times Miami. They get auto ekinema la or Uri to take a making why you will not act. All right, who about what I want? You will watch your oh, we'll be better. We'll tell you, all tell you talk. I want to be one. Oh, Igbama, come on, cookie as some part of Yiva. Igbama, again, yes, you know why I know. Now, women know, yes, you could know, yeah, when I know. Any idea is so if you couldn't. It's so I want that. Igbama, a chin we are away the top. Igbama, that's when we are there. Yeah, Miguna, Igbama. Igele, a book be here by say, or part of a year. Igele, a tin webe or what we are. Any on devil ye, any on girl co, any on gay winner, any on Latino, I will be, any on Boa, any on Fugu ba. Now Fugu ba. Now Shonka loco. Igele. Okayele no nyatin de igbuna no ya no eta bo wa o ya no eni ati ba moko eni ati ba zotu eni ati ebo ewo yawe ya ga tu ya na agwa o to ku amuwe Oradoto muwege aladuna igele no so egbe edion we si pe ye ha na edion okin mi de ya do lati odion agbodion uwe mo ma me ne uwe mo wa won de ne uwe ibe gi ode mama uwe ibe bo ma be uwe ibe gi hu aibe ni yen ma we ebi ya me go yi no wa be su gbegbe uwe awe bi no wa e bere edion John Rebo Dion o kin o Dion bu pon salo boa en magbe na matalo na ke kira na mi on awe ban so no wa we tie be se video ni be gbon yo to e ba me na ya do e tie be wo e na do here la dia na in the same way I want to analyze the same ages, the stages of life again. For healthy children, look at these people here. Healthy children, they .org. They wrote this thing out systematically. In that way, we can. In that way, we can analyze and know exactly what we are talking about in the raising of children. Look at it. Prenatal. That is the time of pregnancy. It's time for preparation. If you are pregnant with a child, it's time for you to prepare. You are preparing yourself for life, for a different life, for the future. And it's also a time for you to prepare the baby in your womb. Prenatal is a very important time of life. So if you are a woman, you need to take care of yourself. There's some kind of food that you should be eating. There's some kind of food that you should not eat. For example, alcohol. You should not be drinking alcohol. If you smoke cigarette, you should not be smoking cigarette. You see what I mean? You must be eating food that have vitamins in them. Your doctor will tell you what to eat and what not to eat. It's a time for preparation. You get ready, because when you deliver a baby, you won't have time to do everything you used to do. You understand? Prenatal. Okay. When you have a baby, 0 to 12 months old, you begin to take care of diapers and screening. Diapers and screening. As I said just now, you need to take care of your children and show them, take care of them, because those babies, they don't know anything. You take them to screening. When you take them to screening, the doctors will tell you how the child is growing. They will give the child inoculation, immunization. You hear me? That's early stage. They must be given immunization. The doctor will tell you, don't fail to. If you are in a village where there is no such thing, you ask all the older women, grandmothers, how they take care of such children. You get me? All right. The second one, the toddler, the one we talked about just now, 1 to 3 years, they use their feet to beat everything. Everything is a football. Those children must be taken care of. By the time you teach them toilet training, how to defecate, where to urinate. You see some of them urinating anywhere. Then you teach them, no, they can't do that. No. You teach them the toilet, show them the toilet. You stand there. When they sit in the toilet, you stand there with them until they finish. And make sure they clean themselves properly. Or you clean them. Those young ones, 1 year old, 2 years, you clean them. You clean them. They are young for them. And then you teach them how they are going to be able to do it later on. You get it? Healthy children need to be helped. Toilet training, age 1 to 3. Preschool, 3 to 5 years old. Physical and motor development. Preschool, they are not yet in school. In my city in Africa, 3 to 5 years old. Some of them, they are already in what we call preschool classes. As long as they can walk to the school, preschool classes, they just go there and make noise. You know, they're yet to be fed. They're taking care. It's like kindergarten, school for children only. All they do is eat, and talk, and they can teach them how to sing or teach them how to, how to jump and do exercise. Yes, it's a special age. You don't neglect them. You don't leave them alone, because they can walk into any danger. Preschool, 3 to 5. You see them developing physically. Little by little, you see them growing physically. Their muscle, they begin to come up. Yes. Grade school. From there, they enter school. 5 years to 12 years, they're in school. In grade school, primary school. 5 years to 10 to 12 years, they're in primary school, elementary school, middle school. You hear it? That time, they should not be at home for nothing. No. They need to be sent to school. Some of them need to be taken in our car to school, or bicycle to school. Some of them can walk to school. Some of them cannot walk to school. Some of them need to go in a bus to school. You have to show them. You have to teach them to get to the point where the bus will pick them and to be there on time. Because if they don't get there on time, the bus will pass. The bus is not going to stay there waiting for them. They need to be taught this. They need to be taught how to get themselves dressed to get ready for school. They need to be waking up at the right hour of the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. They need to be shown how to brush their teeth. They need to be shown how to take their bath. They need to be shown how to towel themselves. Hello? And then before they do that, you need to set on breakfast for them. Breakfast for cereal or a core or pap or whatever. And let them know how to eat before they go to school. It is important to teach them to take breakfast. It's important to provide breakfast for children. It helps them have good health, a strong body, and good mind to be able to learn. If a child is hungry, that child cannot learn. So between that age of 5 and 12, parents need to provide for their children to have breakfast. You even need to provide lunch for them. Give them some money that they can buy groundnut in school or buy ice cream or buy something to eat because they'll be hungry again around 12 o'clock. You know what I mean? By the time they come back from school by 2 o'clock, they are too hungry already. You know, don't let them be too hungry. Give them some money to buy some food and prepare something for them. When I was a child like that, we went to elementary school. My mother used to give us gari. We put gari in our pocket. Sometimes they put a cube of sugar in the gari or they buy us groundnut. So when it was recess time, recess, that's about break time is about 10 o'clock. Recess is about 12 o'clock. That is lunch time. We go and eat gari. We use the groundnut to eat the gari. It was provided by mothers. You need to provide for your children lunch. Some of them can come home to eat lunch, but in most cases, they're too far away from home. Therefore, give them something they're going to eat at lunch. Don't just believe that if they eat breakfast, the next time they're going to eat will be 2:30 when they come from school. That is too long ago. That is too long ago. They eat breakfast by 7 o'clock. 7 to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. That's 7 hours. No, the child is already fagged out. Too hungry. They must be taken care of at that time. Grade school. That is the time for their mental capacity to develop. That's the time for sexual concerns. Mental capacity. That's the time they use their head to learn what is in this world, whether geography or mathematics or physics or chemistry or biology or whatever. And as they are growing, they begin to show concern, sexual concern. The boys will begin to look at the girls that they have breasts. See, they have breasts. And the girls will begin to look at the boys, and they say they have penis. When they are urinating, they want to go and look. They want to go and look. Why is that? Is he urinating? He has something long from his waist. And they who are girls, they don't have that thing. Children begin to learn and observe. They observe. They have concerns. When they ask questions, answer the question for them and encourage them to ask questions. Don't shut up your children when they have questions. No. Teenage life, 12 to 18 years old. They are teenage drivers. They are very inquisitive. You have teenage drivers. They go and enter car and start to drive the car. They don't know how to drive. If you leave your key in your car, they will enter it and start it. Teenagers. You need to watch out for them because they can enter into any danger. They have what they call peer pressure. Peer pressure. They see what others are doing. what other children are doing. They want to be like other children. They look at children, they think that the other children are better off than them or have better privilege because their father brought them to school in a car and they themselves came in the bus. They want to know why the difference. You have to be willing to answer their questions. Listen to them. Their friends can be pressurizing them to do something. You have to be able to tell them how not to do the wrong thing. You have to be able to answer their questions and guide them, guide their minds. Peer pressure. Young adults, 18 to 21. 18 to 21. They are perfectionists. They pursue perfectionism. Perfectionism is trying to make everything perfect. Yes, they are very critical. They criticize everything. Say, this is not good enough. Oh, this one is dirty here. You give them the food, they look at the food properly. Say it's too hot or it's too cold or it's not delicious. They are very critical. If you have anything that you did by mistake, they will point it out. Then they go to school and graduate from elementary school, they graduate from high school, and some of them are already in the university. Yes, it's a time for graduation. Young people. Or they're still in the university. That is life. We should be ready to take care of children through these stages in life. Let us don't shut them down. Let us don't say, shut up. No. If you say something wrong, say, hey, listen, come. You tell him the difference between what he has said and what he ought to say. Show them the difference. It's a lot to become a human being. In psychology, what we call becoming a man. It's a lot of work. It's a real business for parents and parents. That don't to the year nana. But over to the akaba, nana look how Ekponi yeke. Ọwọ́ lẹ́gẹ̀ náà yà Ekponi yeke ọmọ ní yàrá wẹ́kọ̀ orí yẹ. Ọmọ bí ẹ̀kú yẹ. Ẹ̀gẹ̀ ni ọ̀yà ẹ̀yìn mú egbe náà o. Ekponi yeke ẹ̀gẹ̀ ẹ̀yìn mú egbe náà ọ̀yà dọ̀ ayé yé. Wọ́n á dọ̀ ayé yé náà kwa. Wọ́n á dọ̀ ayé yọmọ. Wọ́n á dọ̀ ayé yọmọmọ. Ọ̀dà fún ẹ̀yà àdé ọ̀gọ́ nù ẹ̀. Nebo yà àdé ọ̀gọ́ nù ẹ̀. Ekponi yeke. Wọ́n á sẹ̀ kó kíá. Òkè ẹni pàtàkì náà o ọmọ ẹ̀bá iná kẹ́kẹ́ nu ayé ugìlì yàrá ìbá ẹni ọmọ ìwọ̀n kùn náà kẹ́kẹ́ nu ayé ugìlì yàrá ìkùn ni wọ́n ti wà Ekponi yeke ló wà kẹ́kẹ́ ọmọ ìmọ̀ kí Ekponi yeke ọmọ ẹ̀bá iná kẹ́kẹ́ náà ìbẹ̀gẹ́ ni wọ́n á di ẹ̀sọ́ kìtó wọ́n yà á di ẹgbẹ̀ wẹ́ màá yẹn kà máa wọ́n ìkùn náà kẹ́kẹ́ nu ayé ìbá iná kẹ́kẹ́ nu ayé wọ́n yẹ ẹ̀sọ́ kìtó yẹn yìkùn wọn òkùn ẹ̀sọ́ náà ó rí òkùn wọn níbẹ̀ náà wọ́n rí ọ. Ẹgẹ manare do ìgbésó yà yọsíkútó bẹ́ẹ̀ nàti ẹ̀yú bí tu ẹ̀fú gbọ́wọ́ yọsíkútó nàti ẹ̀fú gbọ́wọ́ ẹ̀dọ́pá iná àwọn òkùn pọ̀ rárá ọ̀wẹ́ yẹn yíyó vitamin àfihàn náà wa wọ́n ti vitamin ní nà sí àkókò yìí vitamins Motivate. Owe motivate ya biyo wa. Why you motivate ya? Multivitamin ayaka. Multivitamin. Only ye ma vitamin asiye koko. Boy vitamin ono even ore bai. Even na mi ebe bai adi bai. No do I like bebo only vitamin. Wadi ya no like bebo vitamin. Wadi ogede no like bebo vitamin. No ke ya nene kwa. Wadi no like bebo vitamin. Wa wanyo no like bebo vitamin. Ni ke o ya yo kwa. O ya nene kwa. Mami multivite, a vitamin ọ̀rẹ́ a vitamin ọ̀rẹ́ kókò, a vitamin ọ̀rẹ́ ìyá, àṣìẹ kòkó, ànàtì a multivite. Ẹ̀yà òtìlẹ́wà wẹ̀fọ́ a multivite yẹn agbára rẹ̀ náà wá. Ọmọ mi náà kí. A vitamin a èrè báyìí. Na nekwa ni yeni me no kiwo. So ku we na nekwa ni ba na ni we enu we ni vitamin ye. Akun sare ba ya ebo no. Na ebo na yuki na we an yuki. Ya yuki ya muki ha wodo. Ya muki isen wodo. Ya muki pa wodo ya ki adugbe adi oto. E vitamin ya viole legbe. Mi mo ka mo rede. Mi mi gai. Ami gai wodo mi ba wodo. The vitamin in na mi ba ye kun yo ogo ye mu e. Ye ga ri opopa. Ye ga ri opopa. Ye be yo ma no ri e ma, o yo ma no ri e ba. O yo ma no ri za. Mami e vitamin o me no ki. E ga du ya ma ni e. U ha ri yo be na ka ma hono ari o. Wa be ri e ba esi. Wa ga vitamin ni mo e no demu. Lórí ìbá ẹsẹ ọmọbọ akátàgbá òkìwé bá di tọ́ ní ọmọbọ òkìwé bá ìlélẹ̀ ọgá ẹ̀wọ̀n rẹ̀ kébẹ̀ ìfínẹgbẹ̀ wà ní yé wà ní ra ìlélẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n rẹ̀ tó ìfínẹgbẹ̀ àmà mọ́ni yé àmà mọ́ni yé ìlélẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n rẹ̀. Ilé lọ́wọ́ wọn mọ̀ ẹ̀wẹ̀ àpò báàkì àárí báyìí àpò akọ̀wé àgbé ìfinegbe wọ́n ìfinegbe àmọ̀mọ́ ní ẹ̀gì abọ́bo abẹ́ dọ́kítọ̀ hospital yẹn ìdò fíìnì ní yọ ẹgbẹ́ tẹ immunization ọgbọ́ ọkọ̀ rẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀ ìpákàrẹ mọ ẹ náhẹrẹ mọ ẹ ó ní ìmọ̀kùn àfihàn yégbé gbọ̀nsódà àbẹ̀dí ẹ yá àbẹ̀bí ẹ̀mí ọ̀ ẹ̀gẹ́ ní ẹ̀yà wẹ ẹ̀rù wà bí ọmọ wà mú fún wa ẹ̀ ó ìfinegbe kébù wọn rẹ̀ àmà mọ́nu yébù ọgbọ́n ẹ̀ ọmọ pọpá ni ọmọ ẹ̀ sọ́mu ń pè fà ọmọ wẹ̀ kò mú pọpá yà sọ́mu ń pè hà káyọ̀ tà sí ọmọ wẹ̀ yànnà yòwò gbélé bí yà fẹ́ ẹ̀gẹ́ ní yà máa rẹ̀ ìsàn kébà yọ nàmà ọmọ ẹ̀ ìsàn rẹ̀ àyọ nàmà ọmọ ẹ̀ ẹ̀gẹ́ nìnà mú pọpá yà sọ́mu ń pè hà ayà máa mọ ebe nà yà yọ ẹ̀ ọmọ àdé ọwà mọ́kẹ́lá dé ọwà yọ yẹn tí wà yọ yá mẹ́ ọtí wà yọ yẹ ẹgẹ́ nàyálẹ̀ wáyé àmàmọ́ ìwẹ̀ ẹ̀ ò ayọ yé wá èyí ìsàwọn iye ọtí wà dé wà dé wà ọgbọ́n sọ̀yà dé náà yókù wà àdó àmàmọ́ ẹ̀rẹ̀ náà ebi nà yà nẹ́hẹ̀. Ọmọwẹ mudiano nne amega bẹni mọnà dọtà wẹ mẹga ọmẹga ọdí ẹwọ ẹgẹdẹ ọdí ọwọ náà ọmẹga ọgẹ ẹni ẹhùn kẹbẹ ìsànì ọdọ ládìá ọ ní ọmẹga amẹga ọbẹ yà yọ wẹẹ mudiala ọsọ àwọn ẹgẹlẹ yìí ọfọ ọgẹ àwọn ẹrìnẹfọ ọdọ òkè ọwẹ ọzẹ wọn kéré wọn kí ọwẹ yẹn ìdòwò ẹ wẹdù máa ẹbí dàá kí wọn yẹ wọn máa mà mọ ẹ ẹgbẹ ọdà sùn wọn yà wọ ọgbọ bọbọ yọ gbogbo yìí sàn wọn èèmọ ẹ máa ẹwọ ẹ ọgá kìlọ lọdún pò bọ ẹbí náà wà kìwé ní òkè ònìsàn ní wọn wà wìlà wà wẹdì ẹ ó kàn wọn lọdún pò bọ àpò bọ wà kí ònìsàn náà ó kàn kí ó iná wọn kí ọwọn kàn wà náà kí ònìsàn ọpò bọ wọn máa ń pò bọ èmi mímú ìzọkí bí àmì ọrú ọbọ ọrú ẹyìn àìmàmọ ẹbí sàmà yọ àgà máa rè Ege ni ayaye esukwi gai. Eti mi wegbe. Yen ga ladia. Eti mi wegbe. Yen ga ladia. Oni bo pon mo pe o ba gbon ye wona. Mo pe ha ya so o mo pi sen. Mo pe ya so mo pi sen. Ege ni ari esukwi gai. When ya wegbe o ko do aladia do adege. Obi akogbe obi akogbo do adege. Na ya de by hu ya ye esukwi gai. Agbe agi agbe arulese ai wo arulese awa avie be mu sokun ri obo yen egbe no mu dia kie ni wa gba wu yen aje ya de yufun asi aye ya de yufun ari ya de de na agbon so ni imoto de yan ma imoto de asi awa ri yan bo ezu kika ina wa su yan yo awo su yan bio wa agi keke de kun yan wa Comme que iṣẹ́ yà sọ fún weva ẹ̀gá ni ọ̀yà yẹ owó ìwẹ̀ mi ló ka o owó ìwẹ̀ mi ló ka o ìpínsẹ́ yà sí fún weva owó ìwẹ̀ mi ló ka o ìwẹ̀ mi èrèrè ìbáni asún àwọn ẹ̀gá ìwẹ̀ mi ọ̀gá èrèrè ẹ̀gá ni asún àwọn àwọn ọdún wà lọ́dún akẹ́ 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, why I was a 20. How do I was a 50? How do I was a 100? Oh, do I want? Okay, what about 1 plus 1? I give you no. Okay, what about 2 times 1 2? 2 times 2 4. 2 times 3 6. 2 times 4 8. 2 times 5 10. Again, here you boy, the sukuni. I can do way the maybe yan do away arithmetic, yan do away reader. I could do that with school no cow. Oh, you go maybe, oh, you go TB. Again, manadi go, my lad primary 6 then, but a school no cow. I may be Matty, a benagma dori, how do the animal with Mado Tibeni? Oh, Mado Tiagil do Atie, now Baba Kawi. But so Baba with the Ukun. Yana with Dukun, who near Mudani, Yan with Maudo Chip near Mayo, no Chip near Mayo, Maudo Atie. But so my own fool, have you. Without you, man, so wow, my friends to cool. My mother said, I mean, you have a bunny, now wow, my buy and here. Well, your mamma. Aduza, now I have Aduza. Nípò wèvà yà sún mọ́ ìvárọ̀ òkè. Ìpò ìwèvà yà sọ ìvárọ̀ òkè lọ́gà yẹ o. Ìpò wèvà yà sún pé ìvárọ̀ òkè. Ení ìhòmàwẹ́. Ení ìhòmàwẹ́. Ẹ̀yìn àfihàn o. Ení ìhòmàwẹ́. Ọwọ́ ní ìhòmàwẹ́ ní àṣàánú dẹ̀. Ní òjò sáwọn ènìyàn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ẹ̀kẹ́ ní ìhú yẹn náà sànú dẹ̀. Ọ̀ máa tán láàdì yẹn ló sànà. Mọ́mí ẹ̀. Ewe ni o no na di boy na oge na o ma ni di boy o we gi on kero ye we de do di ye o boy o we gas na ya le bai na gas o adun su boloko mami e di o ma we o we era na mo anyo no sa o sa yo ona bi da won eyan be ya gwa le ke be ni na dan anyo o ya gwa le ki na dan anyo Domi àwọn ọ̀nà yóò bọ́ kí owó kan kò rú ọ̀gbìn kan o ìyẹn àbẹ̀gbẹ̀ ẹ̀gbẹ̀ náà yà mí owó kan kò bẹ̀ yíyé kékeré bọ́dọ̀ ọ̀gbìn yìí bọ́ kí ń rú bẹ́ẹ̀ náà wà níbẹ̀ wẹ̀ owó ènìyàn àwọn àtàrí ìyá ààyè gbé tàrí ìyá tẹ̀ èyí yóò wá wẹ̀. Àgìpá pé bá dọ̀wọ́ kì í asọ́pá yọ̀ǹgì àgìpá yàtọ̀ ọ̀pá yàn ògì pé bára oge aṣọ pányà oge okaka aladian kebe iweni ala jambe iweni ayan na boka kabe ya fe okaka no ka se ekidari na ogwa tu lebo gbeg no ka gbe mi na we na gbe na ni gege wa gbon wa sile gbonso egbenso okaka egede abi ala dia be suku no ka suku no give ado agba we di ke we ila ya dia egeni apo bo no mo ari jodun niyan apo bo niyan abuyan de na gbe mi yan gbe awo egeni na mu leketi no ya fun po mo o yesu ku ni an we school na do ta wa ma ita se na my phone ku ko bo akuyo wedu uzo no gbera mana mo la den we ma we yo pa be uzo no kire no gbera agelewe o we bi ni wan mama emi mana do ye mi wu ya dade mi na ni an we mana do dele mi na ya we mi ni na ekina na we an do mana dele mi na do ki an do vio ni ya so no kire do gbera ya na vie mi na wadege ya ya ekesu gi e ga no na ye mi wu e de dio agwa wewe na wu awe ko mosalebwa. We showed you that we were going to do enablement ceremony, enablement commission in Benin City on last Saturday. Yes. We thank God that we did it. It was successful. 15 people were endowed. Look at them. 15 persons were endowed. Adults. They trained for special vocations. And we bought all that they needed, the equipment they needed to practice that vocation, that trade, that business. And we gave it to them that day, that particular day. So we thank God for last Saturday. God fulfilled for us what we said we would do. So I just want you to know that. We will still do another one. It's every 6 months. It will happen again in another 6 months. So if you have anybody you want to train with special vocation, bring them to our church in Benin. I showed you the other time how to do it, so that we help people to engage in real life. So we help people to become somebody that they want to be. Yeah, I showed you this the other time that we're going to do it. Yes, that's what we did on Saturday. We did it on Saturday, and we thank God for the success of it. All right, so we end it here today. We are not going to have any session on Friday. I told you. So we thank God we finished with the Ogito history last Friday. So this coming Friday is Christmas Eve. Because of that, we are not coming here to do anything on Christmas Eve. You know, this time it's 1 o'clock now. It's already night in Nigeria. You see what I mean? So the people are over there. It's past 2 o'clock now. They're already in church. You know, in Nigeria on Friday, on this coming Friday. That's why we're not having anything on Friday. So we'll see you again on next Wednesday, by the grace of God. Okay, if you have any new topic you want us to discuss on pastoral counseling, write it to me. Well, here was so my 8 hours ago now. Yeah, for the Friday, my dear man would do Nakau. Okao Giso, the Mara Sunday, my time for the was a good now. A day Friday, not day. On your David could not let David put the this Friday, don't wait, but then lie on your lie, me put no quack. I don't say, man, but this Friday, not dinner. I go, I went a demon in Nigeria. No, the source never also again. Udoni wire. If you had a hater, I'm where you woku. If you had woku na, wala please go to the YouTube and watch all our watch all that we have been doing in YouTube. So you cannot miss anything. You can't miss anything. Just go there. Anything that we have done for this past 3.5 years, go there and learn and watch. It's free. And show it to your people. Help us to propagate what we are doing. Some people, they will say, they never heard, they never know. People are always saying they don't know, they don't hear, they didn't hear. Tell people, share these things. Let people go and watch it. Encourage them to look at it. And God will bless you. Yes, this is Christmas week. So I wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. A Happy New Year. Go tell it on the mountain. Go tell it on the mountain. Go tell it on the mountain. Over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain. That Jesus Christ is born. All right. Okay. Now, regards to your family, now regards to your people, your village, your city, your work. God bless you all. So be very careful. Don't drink too much. Don't drink and drive. You know, somebody who drinks is intoxicated and shouldn't be driving. All right. Play safe. Be careful. God will bless you. Rejoice together. So we'll see you 2-3 days after Christmas, right? Merry Christmas to you all. Cool. Màmá sì wọ́n ẹ̀dẹ̀ náà bí Jésù gọ̀gọ̀gọ̀ náà sẹ́yìn ẹ̀dẹ̀ náà bí Jésù gọ̀gọ̀gọ̀ náà sẹ́yìn gọ̀gọ̀gọ̀ náà sẹ́yìn. Àwọn sàlùbọ̀ à èmi kò sùtọ̀ òbí kò rékèrè àdí ẹ̀fà náà dé Friday yà pọ̀ èmi kò rékèrè ẹgbẹ̀rẹ̀ àdé màkèrè. Wa baby po Merry Christmas. Wa baby po wa we ya do, wa baba do, wa we ye do, wa we ten do. Wa fe ko a gogo a ri evin. A da jon gbegbe o. E da jon gbegbe. Wa da yan re gui moto. Wa re tu gui moto re da yan. Wa da yan re gui moto. That dey be o hene. Sabade Bama Yao, Afiongo Saba Gumara, Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, God bless you. Wayawe so, Wayadire na, Imasu Niwa, Otimana no care, Russia, Oriva, Ekbema, Theodore, Zoboka, Hidagard, Bivali, Kuyo, Sayama Sewi. Kuyo Sam Stewart, Kuyo Kiss of Yasoge, Kuyo Wayaboka, Oriabua, Wabemipo, Sam Stewart, I think Wegmanana. You wrote a lot of things. Okay, your mommy comes from Benin. And I want to learn it. That's good, Sam. That is very good. You might have to buy the book, Edo language books in primary school. For primary 1, 2, 3. That you will learn the ABCD. Okay? Yes. Somebody mentioned it here. That's good. That is so good. Glory Yamu Koya Obokin. Somebody is writing in Russian language, Russian alphabet. That is so good. Oh, that's good. Sayame, say we call your Ituwa here, oh, Ama Wakienge, oh, Waselogbe, oh, Logbe, he said, bye bye. Bye bye.